students. We are taught of one community here at the university, yet we are being left unseen and unheard. May the university still upholds the no students left behind, no matter the situation is. Always for the students. Should not even be begging for the bare minimum. Student safety should already be a non-negotiable priority. At times like this, it is disheartening that the student body still has to request consideration that should naturally stem from the values of the university. Tama naman. Naganti lang. Bago kasi siya eh. I-announce na kinrant yung request. Magwa 1 hour na oh. Ano na? Pasok before cancel yung tipong yung andun na talaga. No fear. Sabi ko na mali yung ano mo kanina eh, yung pangalan ng bagyo. Sabi ko na mali yung ompong eh. Opong lang. Tagal mag